How to use the Iris controller. Push up on the left joystick to drive the crawler forward. Push down to go in reverse. Press the button above the left joystick to switch between joystick or direction pad. Press up on the direction pad to go forward. Press down for reverse. Both controllers provide variable speed to the crawler. Press right joystick up to rotate camera counterclockwise. Press down to rotate the camera clockwise. Press left, the camera pans left. Press right, the camera pans right. Press down on the joystick, auto homes the camera. Top right button brightens the front LED lights. Top left button dims the front LED lights. To use the auto payout button, the reel has to be on. Press the reel in or assist out on the Iris main panel and turn on the variable speed control by turning clockwise. You can engage and disengage the reel by pressing the auto payout button on the controller. Start inspecting main lines today with the portable, easy-to-use Iris crawler system. All Irises are designed and manufactured in the USA at Insight Vision in Saukville, Wisconsin. Visit InsightVisionCameras.com for more information.